If you've been trying to contact Gmail direct customer service and you're not sure where to start, this video will walk you through the quickest official method step by step. Whether you're dealing with a login problem, a recovery issue, a hacked account, or another Gmail related concern, this process helps you reach Google support through the right channel. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to support.google.com/googleone/gethelp. This is the official Google support page that gives you access to help options for Google services, including Gmail-related issues. Once the page loads, look for the section that says what we can help with. Here, type a clear description of the problem you're having. For example, you could write something like, "Can't access Gmail, need help recovering my account," or "Need support with the Gmail issue." The more specific you are, the easier it is for the support system to guide you to the right solution. After entering your issue, you'll be asked to choose the best description of this issue. This is important because Google uses this step to narrow down the support path and match it to you with the correct help option. Review the choices carefully and select the one that best fits your situation. Then click Next Step. On the next page, you'll enter the resources section. This is where Google may show articles, troubleshooting help, or recommended steps related to your issue. Even if you don't find an instant fix here, continue by clicking Next Step so you can move forward to the direct contact options. Now, you'll reach the contact options method section. This is the part where you can choose how you want to reach support. Depending on what's available for your account and region, you may see options like chat, call, or email. Choose the method that works best for you. If you want the fastest back and forth help, chat is usually a good choice. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, call may be better. If your issue is not urgent, email can also work well. After selecting your preferred contact method, follow the prompts and wait for the time mentioned by Google. In some cases, you may see an estimated wait time or be placed in a queue before an agent becomes available. Just stay on the page and be ready because a customer service agent will get to you soon. Once they connect, explain your Gmail issue clearly and provide any details they ask for, such as the email address involved, the error message you're seeing, or any recovery information they need. The clearer and more organized you are, the faster they can help. And that's it. That's how you contact Gmail direct customer service through the official Google support flow. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.